Alright, so once again, welcome to Test Crypto, the home of cryptocurrency and interweb technology. So basically on this channel we discuss about cryptocurrency adoption like Bitcoin, altcoin and any other investment opportunity. However, in today's video we are going to be talking about Venom Network. Alright, before we begin, let's know exactly what is Venom Network. Okay, so Venom Network provides a virtual machine that executes smart contract code on the Venom blockchain. Alright, so from look of things, Venom Network is just like Ethereum, okay, a layer 1 project where other application will be built on top. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of projects already building to deploy the application on top of Venom smart contracts. So I think this project has a lot of potential, and this video basically we are going to be discussing on how we can position ourselves to qualify for any airdrop in case if there is any airdrop in the future. So that is the main purpose of this video. So as you can see from here, it says start testnet. So basically this project is still under testnet. Okay, so they are still in their testnet phase, so it has not been launched yet. There are different steps you need to undergo in order for you to successfully participate in this testnet phase. Okay, as you can see, it's still in testnet. So and as always, step number 1, you need your what? We need our wallet. Okay, the wallet we are going to be using to interact with the blockchain. Okay, so in this case we are going to be using the Venom wallet. Okay, it's not like Ethereum where we are going to be using MetaMask. In this case we are going to be using Venom wallet. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to download your Venom wallet and set it up as always. So let me show you how you can download your Venom wallet. So first thing, come over to Chrome. So you come over to Chrome and you type in Venom Network, as you can see here. Okay, so just type in Venom Network and then search it. Okay, just go over to the website. So from the website you can download the wallet that we are going to be using to interact with the blockchain. Okay, so you wait for it to load. Once you type in Venom Network, it's going to bring you to their official website, which is here. So the next thing you need to do is come over here. You can read all these things. Okay, so first one, it says install Venom wallet. That is the number 1 thing you need to do. Okay, so you are going to click the Chrome extension. So you just click on this Chrome extension. It will take us to where we are going to download the Venom wallet. Okay, yeah, so right, it will bring me to this website. So because I already have the Venom wallet installed in my Chrome, it's going to show me remove from Chrome, but in your case it's going to show you add to Chrome. Okay, so what you have to do is just click on that add to Chrome, then it's going to show you some other thing like download. Okay, so you just follow the simple procedure, download it. Okay, so once you download it, it's going to pop up here. Okay, just click here, you're going to see it here. Okay, so once it shows here, like in my case you can see it's already here. So once it shows here, it will not be pinned, so you have to click on this pin in order for you to pin it here, so you can see it here. Okay, so once you do that, next thing is click on your newly installed Venom wallet. Okay, so once you click on that, it's going to pop up like this, or maybe it will automatically load up in a new page. Okay, asking you to create your wallet. Okay, so just follow the guide, create your wallet. It's very simple and basic. Okay, so create your wallet, set it up, and then once you are done setting up your wallet address, that is your Venom wallet address, say we are going to move on to the next stage. Okay, so the next stage is we come back to this website, this Venom official website. It says venom.network. Okay, again I'll be providing all the links in the description. All right, so once you come back to the website, to the official website, the next thing is click on this place. It says start testnet. Okay, so we are going to click on it. All right, it's going to bring us to this page. Okay, so as you can see here, it says Venom testnet ecosystem. Explore the Venom ecosystem, complete project specific tasks and unlock NFT rewards. Okay, so all these NFT you see here, I've completed all the tasks, all the different projects that are planning to deploy on Venom blockchain. I've completed their tasks and I've achieved all the NFTs. So as you can see them here, once you complete a task, once you complete a particular project, their tasks, okay, so you are going to achieve their NFT, and once you achieve the NFT, it's going to highlight here. Okay, so I haven't completed this one and this one and this one, that's why they have not yet highlighted. Okay, they are not yet visible unlike other ones. So in your case, nothing is going to be showing here. All your NFT are definitely going to be blocked because you haven't completed any tasks yet. So you are just new to this project. So in order for you to complete your own tasks and then acquire all these NFTs, what you need to do is come down here. This place it says explore the Venom ecosystem. Okay, you are going to see all the projects at this down part of it. Okay, so these are the 2 projects I'm here to complete, and I'm going to complete them here in this video so that you can get at least a clue on how to participate, on how to complete the task successfully. Okay, just before you proceed on completing this task, in order for you to achieve your NFT, you need the free tokens, the Venom free tokens that we use to pay for gas fees and interact with the platform. Okay, so first of all, we need to acquire those free tokens, because without them we can't interact with this platform, because definitely we need to pay some gas fees in order for us to acquire these NFTs. So first we need to go and acquire those free tokens, those free Venom tokens. They are free. Okay, there's no value attached to it, so we are going to acquire those free tokens. How do we do that? Just come down to this part. This place, it says you can see here, it says get Testnet Venom. Okay, so just click on it, so it will bring us here. Okay, so the first thing you need is okay, so I'm just going to click on this follow. Okay, click on this follow. It will take you to your Twitter account. Then you are going to follow that account. Okay, so once you follow that account, just follow this procedure. Okay, so here it says follow this account. We are going to click on follow, and then we come back here. Then we are going to click on check. So it says task completed. Okay, so we are going to claim this. Just click on claim, and this is going to pop up. Just input your password. So I'm going to pause this video so that I can input my password. So once you are done inputting your password, just click on sign in. So this is going to say task completed. Okay, so this is processing. Wait for it to process. Okay, yeah, so that this one is done. The next one is we are going to join Venom Cycle Dial on Discord. Okay, so just click on this join. Once you click on join, it's going to take you to Venom Discord. Okay, so this is how you are going to acquire. Just complete all these things, and once you are done with anyone, just click on this check and then follow those procedure, and you're going to claim those free tokens. Okay, so as you can see on my Venom wallet, I have some Venom Testnet tokens. I have about 129 Venom Testnet tokens that I'm going to use to interact with the platform. Okay, so once you are done acquiring your own Venom tokens, then you come back to this taskboard. Sorry, so we need to go back to this taskboard. Just go back to venom.network/tax. Okay, so come back to this taskboard, and then we can now proceed to complete these tasks. Okay, so we are just going to click on complete tasks. I think that should be the next thing at this point in time. Once you have acquired those free tokens, you come back to complete the task. Okay, so to bring you here, so once you come over to this place, you can read all this thing. So the first one, it says complete this task and unlock your NFT reward. Okay, so come over here, it says follow this account. Okay, so I'm just going to click on follow to take you to a Twitter account so that you can follow them on Twitter. Come back and check, and then that part will be done. Proceed to the next one. So wait for it to load. So it will bring you here. Just click on follow, and then go back, then click on check. As you can see, say task completed. Okay, so the second one, it says mint this mint segment. Okay, so click on check. Oh sorry, we haven't minted it yet. I think that was a mistake. I was supposed to click on this website, but allow it to check finish. Then I'm going to click on this. Okay, so you can see, because we have not completed this task, it says your task is being checked. Please make sure that you have completed the task and check back. Okay, so I just, because I have not done it, that's why I showed this thing. So in order for us to complete this task, just come down to this place, this section. You see it, it says segment.app. So click on it. Okay, this is the website. You can go ahead and read all these things, how it works, all this. After reading it, then you click on okay. On the top right corner, it says connect your wallet. We are going to click on this connect your wallet, and then we are going to choose Venom Chrome extension. Our wallet is going to pop up. Okay, so we are just going to click on connect. So it has connected our wallet with my Venom amount. It says 129 Venoms. Okay, so we are going to turn on this mint mode. I think so. So and then we can come down, select a section for us to mint. Okay, let's select here. So we are going to click on this mint. and then we are going to select image as we want to upload there. Okay, so I just going to select any random image or image you want to put in there. Okay, so type in name, any name there, and then we are going to click, because this is all testnet, so I'm testing the platform for them. Okay, so click on this mint, and it will take us to Venom website. I mean Venom, our Venom wallet. Okay, so we are going to input your password. So once you are done putting your password, you are going to click on confirm, and this is going to load. Okay, so you wait for it to claim. Basically you just claimed an NFT on this platform. Okay, so that is what you just did, following the procedure they outlined the first time we enter this website. Okay, so once you click on claim, this is going to take some time. So the next thing at this point in time is we'll come back to this website. Then at this place, it's going to ask you something like check. Okay, so I'm going to click on that check. So it's going to mark this good, and then the next thing we click on mint. Okay, so we're going to input our password as always. So once you input your password, just click on confirm, and then you wait for it to mint. Okay, so it's processing. So this is the NFT in Venom platform. Okay, so this one is a different NFT entirely. This is the NFT Venom blockchain asks you to go and test and check if everything is working perfectly. Okay, so we just did this section of it. Okay, and everything was working perfectly. So we came back here, verified everything, and then we mint the one of Venom. So that is it. So we have perfectly minted this. We are done with this particular project, this segment. Okay, we are done with this segment tax. Okay, so we have minted the NFT. So you can go back to the project. So at this place it says go back to the project. Okay, so click on it. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the project that we just finished the task currently. Okay, so this is segments project. As you can see now, the NFT has highlighted. Okay, it's no longer blur, unlike this one. Okay, so we are still going to complete this one so that it will also be it will also be visible just like every other one. So if you watch here, these are the number of NFT I've achieved. Okay, the number of NFT I've achieved so far. So initially it was 15. Okay, so because we are done with this segment, is now 16. So I'm just going to complete this last one, and this is definitely going to count as 17. So to continue with the next project, you just come back as always, click on this task, click on this complete task, I mean to say, then you wait for it to load. Okay, yeah, it will bring you to this page. Okay, so next thing, come down to this place, just the same procedure, just follow them on Twitter, click on follow on Twitter. Whoever they ask you to go and follow on Twitter, just go and follow them. Okay, so click on follow on Twitter, it will bring you to this, to take you to your Twitter account where you are going to follow that page. Okay, so wait for it to load. All right, so you're just going to click on follow them on Twitter, and then come back here, click on check, and then completed. So we are going to move to the next one. Here it says buy Venom pass. Okay, so we buy Venom pass on everplay.gg, so click on it. Okay, so perfect, this is the website. Here it says authorization, please log into your platform account. So I want to click on this Venom wallet, choose Venom Chrome. So once your Venom wallet pops up, you are going to click on this connect, then you wait for the next thing to wait for the platform to load. Okay, okay, so the next thing is going to pop up asking you to input your password so that you can confirm the transaction. Okay, so I'm just going to input my password. So once you are done inputting your password, just click on sign in. As you can see from here, it says buy Venom pass on this platform. Okay, so what you are asked to do is to come here and buy this Venom pass. So click on Venom pass, click on buy. I'm just going to buy Venom pass, that is all. So click on buy. All right, so input your password, and then you click on confirm. the transaction has been completed. So we just need to come back here. Okay, so we click on this check, and then the task is going to say completed. So the next thing is we are going to mint the NFT. Okay, so click on mint, input your password as always, and then it's going to say task completed. Okay, so the NFT is being processed, so you wait for it to process. Okay, as you can see, it says minting. Alright, so it has minted successfully. As you can see, the NFT has been minted. So the next thing, we are going to go back to the project. Okay, click on go back to project. So it's going to bring us back to this place. So you can see this one has also been added. As you can see, I just finished it right now. So the number of my NFT is now 17, no longer 16. So you can see it here, right? So that is how you are going to complete all the tasks on Venom testnet. Okay, so make sure to acquire all these NFTs. It's very, very important. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this video. If you like the quality of this content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, remain blessed, and of course, peace out.